it is always been like we always wanted to get into the creative field, want to do something creative, something different. Anything different means creativity, and not being doctor, engineer, and all that things, right? And that has been happening. In 2020, we actually realized that who are the real hero. Do you
Absolutely.
think?
Yeah.
Do you think that this whole aspect of, yeah, doctors are boring, or doctors are, those things of like not celebrating them as hero, but celebrating or rather getting inspired by say social media influencer or blogger or actors, and that's why there are more and more number of people who want to become an actor, right? So do you think that that aspect is changing? I'm asking it for both of you.
I think, yeah, we do. I mean, I know a lot of people who want to become actors or directors, but that is my bubble that I'm living in. People in smaller towns, people whose parents have always wanted their kids to become doctors, they're still doing that. They are working towards becoming doctors, cracking their NEET. So that is also a very, very big number. But yes, doctors are in the focus right now because of the pandemic, and they should have been always in the focus. It's just sad that it has taken a pandemic for us to realize their importance. And another point that I'll add is that I think doctors are they're just not boring people who read their books. They're also mad ragers. They party, they do everything normal that all of us do. Is just we don't talk about it because, oh, okay, doctor, matlab, it's a respectable profession. They're just supposed to
It's
be
a
around the
stereotype. Yeah.
books.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's a stereotype. But I know some mad doctors who have partied a lot in their lives and still party. So all respect given to them, because it's really not easy to become a doctor. Like, we tried in these 2 years and we were like, bhai, actor hi theek hai, nahi ho payega humse to. So yes, and I mean, if you can read all those books and still be a rager in life, oh, nothing like it. You're the party person then, no? Quite a trooper.
Yeah, Ayush, why I was saying this also because of the fact that, when we talk about I want to become an actor or a singer or a dancer, we have so many role models, right? And they are also part of our pop culture, and
Mm-hmm.
those things of being cool and all that, right? And that is why it is so exciting for us to become a part of the entertainment industry or the
Yeah,
glamour
it's also
world.
it's also because
Do you think
it's also
that is,
because
yeah?
you see them more often, no? Like I've been seeing Shah Rukh Khan for since I was a kid,
बचपन
or
से
probably, yeah, or somebody like an Arjit Singh, who's a singer, rock star. Like, you know what I'm trying to say. Uh, but you don't see doctors doing this, right? You don't see doctors on TV. You don't see doctors what they do in their daily lives, how complicated a surgery would be, and he's probably saved the patient. There's no camera over there. So just because there's no camera over there does not mean that their lives are not as thrilling. Probably, I think a doctor's life must be more thrilling than an actor's life. But obviously, for an actor or a musician or anyone, it's just documented so that everyone can see it. So, it just becomes much more easier, like that, accessible to a lot of people, a lot of places. So,
hmm.
through our show, we just hope that even if we reach 1% of the people in terms of what a doctor's life is, I think that's more than enough. Uh, 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 for what we could ever do for them, because what they
Huh.
do is just unimaginable, like saving somebody's life. There's nothing bigger than that in the world.
There was a time when it was about television and theater, from where actors used to, be picked up. Right now, it is totally different, and whether with Dice Media and this kind of platform, especially, which is not even like, this is not those web series like those OTT platform web series, but this is just the social media thing, right? Do you think actors like you who always wanted to, be into this profession have got a chance to flaunt your talent because of this kind of opportunity? How do you look at that?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, there are so many more opportunities now thanks to YouTube, OTT, Netflix, Amazon, you name it. So a lot of actors are getting a lot more work, a lot of directors are getting a lot more work, writers. It's actually the golden age right now to be in a show, to be acting, to be writing, to be directing, because there is just so much being produced. I mean, content is just overflowing right now. Some of it is amazing, some of it is mediocre, some of it is bad, but at least there is work. There is just like so much demand for work.
Web, because I was doing theater and ads for a while, and then uh, when I started off with web, it was like a new era of this industry also, because there was never web in our industry. It was only TV, it was only films, and it was only theater. So
Theater.
with that new with this new era, we just started our lives as well, blindly trusting it. And I can't be more thankful to it, because a lot of my work, at least 70% or 75-80% of my work is on YouTube,
Yes.
by doing those sketches for all the channels, uh, then doing web shows with Dice, by doing -1, doing Mom and Co. Like everything is on YouTube. So a large part of my career is thanks to YouTube. So I cannot be eternally thankful for the web. And yeah, that's that's the right way
Yeah.
of putting it.
Tell me, I'm gonna ask this question and it might just irritate you guys, but even then I want you guys to
No, no.
answer with a smile. And that is, when we guys are gonna see you guys on big screen more often.
No, there's no irritation on this. I hope it happens soon. Big screen, you mean theater, you mean OTTs? I don't understand which one. But any one of them.
No, I'm talking about
uh,
film. I'm talking about film. I'm talking about typically, cinema that I'm talking about.
I
That's something that we all have grown up watching before OTT and these digital
Yeah,
entertainment started existing.
I hope the crossover happens soon, because a lot of people are looking at the web to cast new people. So it's not that we've not got opportunities. It's just picking the right one and starting with the right one. You've already seen Sarah in big stuff. For me, so I need a little more time. But I hope, inshallah, it happens soon. With all the things I'm doing right now, I have a feeling that it'll happen soon.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah. Sarah, what about you?
Oh yeah. I mean, like we all want to we want to keep doing more and more work. If that gets translated into films, nothing like it. If that gets translated into Netflix, Amazon, nothing like it. So I think like films right now, yes, we all want to be a part of a film, and but I think we shouldn't limit ourselves. Ki, Acha, okay, we just want to be in a film for the sake of it. Some
Exactly.
good project, good character, good graph that needs to come around. And yeah, I mean, like we're all open to all the mediums, whether it's films, OTT, or ads. So yeah, I mean, like sooner or later, I'm sure we'll be appearing somewhere or the other. It's just
Yeah,
a matter of time.
for sure. Yeah.
Yes.
And also the
Yes.
web gives us so much opportunities in terms of playing different characters, playing different roles, trying and experimenting new things, which will not be at a commercial risk as compared to a film. So it's more
Yes.
opportunities. So I hope that we start getting web films and then go on to commercial films. Like after the audience approves and likes you, then they would support you in everything you do. So that's the idea of